Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, 2025 just began and crypto market is already performing pretty well. Maybe this is the push that we needed to ensure that the next leg for the bull market begins with a bang. I mean, most of the altcoins are up about 10%, and yesterday the inflow into the cash for most of the altcoins actually helped ensure a little bit of optimism and actually fuel the entire Bitcoin market in terms of the ETF, also the Nasdaq listing, and the whales to be more confident to invest their money. And that's why today, as Bitcoin is climbing and actually crossing 96,000, there is a lot of optimism returning into the entire altcoin market. If you look at the trading volume, there's not drastic difference. It's not like a huge return of all the traders, but overall the market is still in a very healthy condition. If we talk about Dogecoin, there are new whales that are buying up this dip. On the 31st of December, $150 million worth of Dogecoin purchased at the price of 32 cents. IRS delays the FIFO rule until late 2025. This could have a huge impact as the tax burdens will ease. What Wall Street and crypto stakeholders are expecting from Trump right after he gets into the office: illegal crypto ads in the UK are going to be hitting a roadblock, and there is more to cover. But before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with the crypto market, and especially Dogecoin, you want the latest and the greatest news first, I highly recommend you scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While there, slap a like on the video, just update the algorithm, push the video to more people. More people are paying attention to what is happening in the crypto market. The user engagement goes up, more inflow of cash, the market keeps climbing, and a lot of us make a lot of profits. So make sure you go down and slap a like on it. Now, first of all, I want to show you guys the Dogecoin chart. This was very important. What Dogecoin has just done in the last 24 hours, it's definitely set the path for the next coming few months that's going to be pushing the market into a new standard. What I'm trying to say is, you can see that's very clear. It's trying to stay in that uptrend position. The only thing is, we do not want to get rejected at the price that we're sitting currently, which is close to 34 cents. If we do get rejected, we're pretty much going to go back into the consolidation phase we've been ever since the 20th or the 21st of December. But if we do want to break out into the uptrend, the only way Dogecoin actually do that is it needs to ensure that it's able to climb above the price of 36 cents. That's going to be the key barrier to break to actually change the outcome of the Dogecoin market and the downtrend it has been stuck in for a long period of time. We need to be able to break out of that, and there are some whales which are trying to help. Now, this is another whale that I have been paying attention to. You can see on the 21st, when the price actually dipped under 30 cents, sold close to 60 million, but as the price was able to hold consistent close to 32 cents on the 24th and on the 31st, purchased back about $17 million worth of Dogecoin. And I mean, I already mentioned this wallet, which was just created recently and purchased close to $150 million worth of Dogecoin on the 31st of December. And that's not the only one. This is another one on the 1st or the January 2nd, decided to purchase close to $135 million worth of Dogecoin, and actually 260,000 a little bit later. So there is definitely a lot of new whales which are entering the Dogecoin market, ensuring that they're able to give a stable position around the support of 32 cents and ensure that the price is able to keep climbing and not see more lower lows. I mean, we have already experienced a really strong pullback, but the way a lot of expert traders are expecting, we might experience a little bit more pullback from Bitcoin. And if Bitcoin is going to be going down, there's going to be a lot of inflow that might actually flow through the altcoins, but definitely there will be a pullback. Now, the IRS delays the FIFO rule, giving crypto investors time to use flexible accounting methods like HIFO and SPEC-ID. Legal challenges question IRS expanded reporting rules for digital asset, citing overreach and privacy concerns. What's really interesting about this is trying to, go through your taxes and stuff like that with crypto. Over time, it will be actually quite hard to be able to track all of that. Even for someone that actually wants to legitimately pay tax, it would be actually quite hard. And that's why IRS is actually giving them more time by the end of 2025 to be able to come up with all of their, things they will need to file the proper way. What Wall Street and crypto stakeholders are expecting from Trump. Wall Street expects Trump's pro-business policies to boost the US markets, but worries persist about his tough trade stance and unpredictability. The crypto industry is betting big on Trump's second term, hoping for a fewer regulations, a Bitcoin reserve, and pro-crypto leadership at the SEC. Now, the SEC pro-crypto leadership, now we all know that's definitely going to be coming into play. At the same time, Bitcoin reserve. Now, Trump is being very clear on his support for crypto, but at the same time, being able to ensure that he does this, it would be a little bit hard to predict, and lobbying efforts by crypto giants like COINBASE and Ripple secured Congress support, with 294 pro-crypto lawmakers now in power. That's a lot of people, so over time, anyone that has a little bit of understanding knows that when Trump gets into office, it will definitely be in favor of crypto. And there is a lot of people expecting that very soon. Talking about the open interest, Doge is definitely seeing a return of that, about 10% up today, and something similar with Bitcoin, about 5%. Now, this is an interesting fact that I read. The founder of Dogecoin sold his Doge in 2015 to buy Honda Civic. Today, Dogecoin is worth more than the entire Honda company. I mean, the market cap is quite huge. Not his net worth, but actually the whole coin. And Robinhood gives 2.5 million in Bitcoin to gold members to celebrate the new year. That's a wonderful thing from Robinhood. And Dogecoin price analysis still notice that this week we could be seeing a 41-cent Dogecoin. But it's actually going to be extremely important in terms of how well the entire market is going to do. The trend that Dogecoin has started to form is definitely a positive one, but ensuring that actually stays in this positive trend and break above the key resistance at 36 cents is going to be extremely important. Now, BlackRock reveals that only 2 cryptos are worth buying, and it's very clear what they're going to say, which is a Bitcoin ETF and Ethereum ETF. What's really interesting is back in the day, BlackRock has never went out and actually talked about crypto so bluntly, and mentioning that 2 cryptos, at least 2, are worth purchasing. There is definitely room for bigger ones to grow in the future, such as XRP, Dogecoin, Solana, BNB. They will definitely see a growth. And Binance hits a major milestone, 250 million users, expands with a new trading option. Why is this a big deal? 250 million. That's 1/4 of a billion, and there's only 7 billion in the planet. So that should give you perspective how big crypto is becoming, because Binance is obviously the largest trading platform. And Binance achieves a broker deal in Brazil, signaling a growing regulatory frame for crypto. So as more things are happening, obviously this is going to be having more exposure for the crypto market and giving it more opportunity in terms of how well it can do. Other than that, enjoy the ride. That's all I'm going to say, because right now the market is a little volatile and unexpected. So be careful with your trades. Other than that, have a great day and I'll see you soon.